Hello guys, welcome to a video. I'm going to play this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna get to. Oh my god! Oh, I didn't know it. I know it. What's here?
15 over 4 is equals to.
Oh my god! That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. I don't know. That's wrong. That's wrong.
15 over 4. Okay, that's the answer. That's the right words to say. 3 and 3, 4. 3 and 3, 4. Because 3 is a whole number, which represents an division of yung answer mo. So, 15 divide 4. Ilang 4 meron sa 15? Tatlo, right? Which is 4, 8, and 12. Diba? Kapag lumagpas na doon, 16 na. So, hindi na siya pwede. Ngayon, yung 12 na yun, yung 12, so 4, 8, 12, kung anong sagot doon, i-divide, i-minus mo ngayon siya sa 15. Subtraction, ha? Subtraction. 15 minus
To get it here.
12.
Yes.
That is 3.
Come.
Nakamix number ka na. This is 3 and 3, 4. Asan na yun ang 1 and 3? So, ang 3 is na dito. Ang representation ng whole number is this. Ngayon, anong denominator? Diba? Ang denominator ay kung anong bilang ng maganda, right? 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, 4, oh. Eh, numerator lang hinahanap ka. 3 and 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3. So, nandun ang 3 and 3, 4. Yan ang representation ng 15 over 4. Okay? Gets mo? Para malaman mo kung saan
Let's
dyan
go.
si 15 over 4,
You're going to win.
turn this one into this number. The improper. Okay? Kasi ang 1, this 1, this 2, this 3, and this 4, yun ang representation ng number. Paano kapag sinabi kong, where is 2 and 2, 4? Sige nga. Where is 2 and 2, 4? So, yan. 2, this is number 2 and 2 over 4.
It's
Where
not
is
yet.
it?
I gotta cut it.
Ano muna ang representation nito? This 2. No.
2,
Yan.
3,
Ang
1,
representation
2,
nito is the
3,
numerator.
4,
Asan ang 2?
5, 6, 7.
2, 3, 4. Asan ang 2? Where's the 2? Diba sabi ko sa'yo, ang representation nitong whole number ng 3 is 0. Ito, oh. Kaya si 3 and 3, 4, and then dito, oh. Ito, 3 and 3 over 4. Asan na yung si 2 and 2, 4? 2. Asan ang 2? This is 1. Nasa 1 siya, oh. 2. Ang tinatanong ko 2. So, ito, whole number 2. And then 2, 4. Asan ang 2? 2, 4. Ayan, ito. Kasi, hindi mo nanin sa 4. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4. Papunta dun sa 3 na yun, 4 na siya. 4 over 4 na ulit siya. Okay?
3, 4.
Si 2, 4 ay nandito
7.
sa pagitan. Okay? Gets mo? Okay. Another one. Where is 1 and 3, 4? Asan si 1 and 3, 4? Asan si 1 and 3, 4 dyan? Asan ang 1? Asan itong whole number? Yes. So ngayon, lalagpas ka doon. Okay? 3, 4. Asan yun si 3, 4? Asan si 3, 4? Hindi yung dalawa. Yung dalawa si 3, 4. Isa lang. Nasa si 1 and 3, 4. Saan yung dot? Okay. 3, 4 yung dot. Hindi mo ano si 3, 4. Si denominator yan eh. So, ano yung si 3, 4? Okay? 1 and 3, 4. Paano mo? 2, 4 lang ang sinabi ko. 2, 4. Walang mixed number ha. 2, 4. There's no mixed number. No. Anong 2, 4? This is whole number. Walang whole number dito. 0 yan no. Walang whole number dyan no. Ito ang representation ng whole number o. Asan si 2, 4? Wala dyan. Mali ka. kasi 4 siya eh. Ilang number yung line from 1 to 2? 1, 2,
Oh, it's
4.
wrong.
That is over 4. Asan si 3? Ito, 1, 2, 3. Ito si 3, 4. Asan si 2, 4? Walang
Oh,
mixed number. Ay, hindi. That is 2. Hindi mo pwedeng 2, 3. Si 2, 4. Yung fraction na 2, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ano ang... This is mix, JM. This is the mixed number. So, ang 2, the whole number is this. Hindi ka pwedeng magpunta dito kasi magiging 2 and 2, 4 yan. 2 and 2, 4. Nandito si 2 and 2, 4 to 2 and then 2 over 4. Ang tinatanong ko is si 2, 4 lang. Walang mixed number. Asan si 2, 4? Where is 2, 4? Yes. Where is 1 and 3/4? Nasaan si 1 and 3/4, Jairus? Oh, diba this is 1 and 3/4? Ngayon si 2, 4, saan? Walang mix, so wala. 0. 0. Hindi ka pwede pumunta dyan. That is 2. That is 2. 0 yan. 2/4 lang. 2/4. Up to 1. Ito yung walang ano, diba? 0 up to 1, no? That is 1 total here, no? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is over 4. And then 1, 4. Diba? 0 to 1. Kapag lumagpas na dyan, there is a whole number na mix. Ang tinatanong ko is 2, 4. Where is 2, 4 here? 2, 4. The 2 over
Okay.
4.
I'm going to...
Yes or no? You don't understand? Okay. Sige, ako na.
Go here.
Try mo na yung 1 of 1. Hindi, madali lang.
Kasi ito na nga tinuturo sa kanina dito na sa 0 at saka si 1. 0 represent 0. This is 1 which is 1 whole. Diba? Ang 1 whole is representing ng 1 over 1, 2 over 2, 3 over 3. Here yun. So, in this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, ano represent ng 1 over ng 1 na to? 1 is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, yes, this one. 4 over 4, diba? Kaya naman pala yung 4 over 4. Ngayon, pag nagpunta ka backward, what is this? 1 over 4. And then this? 2 over 4. Eh, yung tinatanong ko. 2, 4. What is this? 3, 4. How about this? 4 over 4. Ngayon, pag lumagpas ka na doon, no, hindi 5. Yes, 5 over 4. That's right. 5 over 4. Pero ano yung mixed number niya? Ng 5 over 4. Parang ganun mo pala yung 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron dito 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2. 1, 4. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Okay, this is the whole number. It represents a mixed number like 1 and 1/2, 2 and 1/2. So this 2 and then this 1 is here. This. Okay? Yan yun. So, ano nga ulit to, kuya? So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what? Equal to? Yes, I know it's 1. Anong fraction siya? Yes, it's 4 over 4. Ngayon, ano ito kuya ulit? 1, 4. How about this? 2, 4. Ay, kuya. What's this? 3, 4. Ngayon, pag lumagpas na dito, ano naman? Ano na to? This is 4 over 4. How about this? 5 over 4. And then, 6 over 4. And then, 7 over 4. 8 over 4, which is 2. Kapag dinivide mo si 8 divide 4, it's 2. Diba? Over 4 pa rin niya kasi pare-pareho siya. Ngayon, tignan mo maigi. Is this proper or improper? 5 over 4.
Okay, let's go.
This is improper.
I'm going to do
Pag minix number mo siya, yes, it's 1. So, that is the rule number 1. Oh. Ano ang numerator niya? 1 and you will turn it into mix number. Si 5, 4, 5 over 4. Pag dinivide mo si 5 divide 4, 1 lang, di ba? O, ilan yung natira? 1. 1 over 4. So, 1 and 1/4. Yan yung nandito. 1 and 1/4. Ayun, natin mo itong 1 na to. Ito yan to. Di ba, lumagpas na, right? Yan yung representation yan. 1 and 1/4. Kasi it is one naging improper fraction na siya. 1 and 1/4. Ito yung pangalan na to. Ano siya kapag minix number? 1 and because you would minus what? 4? 6 minus 4. Diba? So, 2 over 4. Dati din ito. 7 over 8. Ay, 7 over 4 pala dapat yan. 7 over 4. Yes.
Okay, we did this.
Magiging 2 and 2/4 naman itong inano. So, that is 2 and 2/4. Kapag ito yan. Ang tinatanong ko si 2/4 lang. 2 over 4. 2 over 4. But there's no mixed number. There's no mixed number. Where is it, kuya? Hindi naman improper to. Improper fraction ba to? This is proper fraction. Oh, where is it? Where is 2/4? Here, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Where is 2/4 here in the page?
No. Wait.
2/4. 2 over 1 is represented here, kaya nga lumagpas siya dun, no? Kasi this is mixed number o improper na, right? Lumagpas na. Dito sa gauge na 1, like this. Lumagpas na siya. Asan si 2-4, oh? Asan si 2-4? Asan si 2-4? Si 2/4. Asan siya? Bakit na ito lagi itong meeting, kuya? This is not 2/4. This is 2 and 2/4.
Mami, na-explain ba na maayos?
Explain ko na nangyari sa kanya, oh. Isa-isa ko pa dito, oh. Ayan, no, where is 2/4? Asa between siya ng 0 to 1? Kasi wala pa siyang mixed number.
Naintindihan niya ba? Alam niya ba yung mix?
Oo, alam niya. Alam niya kung ano yung mixed number. You know the mixed number, right? There's a full number and what? Full number and fraction. Ang full number, ito nga siya, oh. This is the 1 and 1. And then yung 1, pag lumagpas na siya,
1,000 guys. Look.
wala namang whole number, right?
Almost
May whole number ba si
1,000.
2-4? Wala, diba? So, between 0
Almost
to 1 siya.
2,000.
0 to 1, hindi pa siya lalagpas ng 1 and 2. Hindi ka pwede pumunta dito. Kasi pag pumunta ka dito, ano na to? What is this? What is this, kuya? Here. Yes, it's 10/4. Ano yung mixed number niya? Makikita mo yung mixed number niya here, oh. This is the whole number of 2. 2. Ito 2. 2 and 1, 2. 2. And then, ilan yon? Over 4. 2 and 2, 4. This is 2. Ito whole number niya to. Ito yan, no? Oh, eh, ang tinatanong ko, 2, 4. Here. 2, 4. Asan ang 2, 4 dito? 2/4. Etong 2/4, this is proper fraction. Wala akong 2 and 2/4. Did I say 2 and 2/4? 2 and 2/4 is here, kuya. Asan si 2/4? 2/4.
Not
Here.
yet.
This is guideline. Where is 2/4? 2/4. It's here. 1, 2, which is 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and ito 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 4, oh. Wala namang mixed number, right? Paano pag nandito? Ano to? Don't look at that. Don't look there. Dito ka tumingin. Ano ngayon to? Etong number na to. I know it's 6/4. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/4. Anong mixed number niya? Eh, ito no. Kuya, nandito na yung sagot to. Ito na ang pinakamadali, oh. 1, 1, and then, ibilang ka dun. Simula sa 1. This is the whole number. 1, 2, and then 2. That's the numerator. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 4. Oh, yun yung mixed number niya. Oh, how about this? Ano to? Sige nga. Anong mixed number na to? This is the mix. Ang hinahanap ko. Ang mixed number niya. Hindi ko lang. Huwag ka na mag-isip. At dito na sa gauge, oh, this is 1. So, yun yung whole number. Ngayon, lumagpas ako sa 2, oh. Ito na. So, this is 2. Automatic 2 yan, oh. Ayan, oh. Nakita ba ito? 2. So, automatic 2 siya. That's the whole number of that. And then, ang ilan siya? Up to 3. 1, 2, 3. So, that's the numerator. Over what? 4. Oh, yun yung number niya. Diba? Pero kung gagawin mo siyang improper fraction, you need to put the 2. Yes, 4 times 2 plus 3. That's Eto, sinabi ko sa'yo. This is the whole number of, what is the next number of this? This. This. Ano to? Ito yung whole number of 3. Oh, eto, tingnan mo itong number na to. Ano naman ito? Ang representation nito? Hmm? One over one. 1, 2. So, 1/2, right? Ito siya, 1/2. Eh, lumagpas siya sa 1. Ito, 1, oh. Hindi naman siya 0. This is 1/2. Eh, ito, ano to? 1/2 also? Ha? 1/2, oh. Lumagpas, oh, diba? Oh, naiintindihan mo na to? Pinigets mo na? Another one. Hindi pwedeng ganun pa kasi. Kailangan mo ng maraming ano eh. Ito. This. So, meron dito 4 yan. Okay. Anong to, guys?
So,
This. This line. Ha? Over 5 ba to? Dito na, from 3 to 4 is 1, 2. How many lang ito? 1, 2. 1, 2. So, over 2 pa rin. Hindi over 5. Kasi kung over 5 yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marami. Okay, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nandito siya. Eh, dalawa lang yun. 1, 2. Diba? Dalawa lang yun na from 3 to 4. Oh. Anong sagot ngayon dyan? Mag-iisip ka pa rin. Walang 5 dyan. 3 and 1? Ha? Is it 4? Over 4 ba yan? Apat ba yung linya from 3 to 4? Meron bang 1, 2, 3, 4? Meron bang another linya dyan na 1, 2, 3, 4? Pinawala naman. Ilan linya lang meron dyan? Dalawa lang oh. 1, 2. Oh. Anong sagot? Another one. Bibigyan na lang kita ng ano. Here, to here. Anong mixed number niya? Is it 1? What is the mixed number? I know it's 1. That's the numerator, sinasabi mo. So, what is the numerator? What's the denominator? Sige nga.
Goodbye, guys.